Ladies and gentlemen, family and friends, today we gather in love again at Amy Zion Church in South Pond to celebrate a beautiful story. 7 years of love, patience and grace, now forever begins today. This is the love story of Mr. Kobby and Mrs. J. Everybody say it loud. Oh, love is J today.
Mr. Kobby and Mrs. J.
Two hearts now, one forever. 7 years they found the way.
Mr. Kobby and Mrs. J.
God has joined them together. From today come what may.
Mr. Kobby and Mrs. J.
Love will shine forever.
Everybody celebrate. Mr. Kobby and Mrs. J.
7 years of holding hands through the sunshine and the rain. Every step they took together made their love grow strong again. From friendship into forever, God was writing every page. Now today before the altar, they begin a brand new stage. Family smiling, joy in the air, heaven's blessing everywhere. Two hearts standing side by side. Love will be their guide. Oh, love is here today.
Mr. Kobby and Mrs. J.
Two hearts now, one forever. 7 years they found the way.
Mr. Kobby and Mrs. J.
God has joined them together. From today come what may.
Mr. Kobby and Mrs. J.
Love will shine forever.
Everybody celebrate. Mr. Kobby and Mrs. J.
South Pond is the witness today as their story shines so bright. In Amy Zion Church we gather to bless this love tonight. Promises made with pure hearts, vows that time cannot erase, walking hand in hand together in God's amazing grace. May your home be filled with laughter. May your love grow every day. Through the years and through the seasons, let nothing stand your way. When the road gets a little long, just remember how it began. 7 years brought you together. Now forever is the plan. Oh, love is here today.
Mr. Kobby and Mrs. J.
Two hearts now, one forever. Joy and blessings on the way.
Mr. Kobby and Mrs. J.
God will guide you together. From today come what may.
Mr. Kobby and Mrs. J.
Love will shine forever.
Everybody celebrate. Mr. Kobby and Mrs. J.
From dating for 7 beautiful years to standing before God today. This is more than a wedding. This is a promise of forever.